Hey, Joe Proto here with one of the keys to understanding self esteem. Here are some steps to building self esteem. Know and love yourself. Celebrate every achievement, no matter how small. Set yourself manageable goals. Surround yourself with supportive and positive people. Always be true to your values and beliefs. Talk about yourself positively. Look after your body and mind. Know that doing the right thing is always the right thing. See challenges as an opportunity to learn and know that you're always an inspiration to someone. To be yourself in a world that is constantly trying to make you something else is the greatest accomplishment. Stop comparing the way you feel on the inside to the way others appear on the outside. Just be yourself. Everyone else is already taken. Besides, the world needs you. That's why you were created. Remember, the meaning of life is to find your gifts, the purpose of life is to share them with others. Enjoy the day.